So I'm at urgent care because I think I have an ear infection. Cough drop.
Pat your foot.
This morning I was dancing with her and she thought that was so funny. She'd go, nah, oh no, yeah. She's showing off her neck.
Dance!
Dance! Who dance?
Okay, so I went to urgent care, which you guys saw, and thought I had an ear infection, and I don't. Yay. And then I went to Walgreens because they sent me out a antihistamine to take, nose spray that I've been taking anyway. So basically they told me to do everything I've been doing since a week ago Wednesday, and that there's nothing they could do about it until I get an ear infection. So now I'm back home and I'm gonna go in and be with my daughter that's also not feeling great and just take all the medicine that I can until it's gone, or until I get an ear infection. They can give me medicine that'll help. The movie, the heat and air guy's supposed to come again today. He came yesterday. He's supposed to come again today because he didn't fix what he was supposed to fix yesterday. Sorry, it's dark. But I'm going to turn on Sing so the girls can watch it so I can eat because I am starving. I haven't eaten all day. And then, I don't know. But I'm getting tired of getting our freaking heat and air fixed. Seems like we always have to get it fixed and it never actually gets fixed. I don't know. I think my ears are feeling a tad better, but every time I say that, it just keeps getting worse, so I don't know. But I just started watching, I was watching some YouTube videos, and Phil and Alex came on, and I've never heard of them before, but sorry, I'm trying to fix my tripod. But I really like them. They're going through IVF right now, and they've adopted and stuff, and that's something that I'm really interested in adopting. We want to adopt for sure someday, but we just can't really afford to do that right now. But I'm watching their channel, and they're going through IVF and stuff because they have fertility issues, and yeah, so I really like them. Looks like they have quite a bit of subscribers, so yeah, but like 98,000 or something like that, I think is what it said, but I don't know, maybe not that many. Oh, sorry guys. Being sick just takes everything out of me. Journey's awake. Say hi, guys. Did you have a good nap? Yeah, did you have a good snack? I love you. I gave Journey some medicine earlier because she is also coughing a ton, and we've been giving her breathing treatments and stuff, but it's just like everywhere. Literally everybody around here has something, and it's crazy. It's just ridiculous. I have 3 cousins that were just diagnosed with the flu, so luckily we don't get out a whole lot, but like when we do get out, it's like, I don't know, places you can get it, I guess, but I don't know. Anyway, Sean should be home in a little bit, and I think we're just going to stay home. And I made stew earlier this week that we haven't eaten yet, so we might eat that for dinner. I kind of want, like, chicken nuggets, but I don't know. Maybe we'll go get chicken nuggets. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I get so tired of staying home, though, because I'm home all the time. And now that I don't feel good, I just want to stay home, but, like, I don't want to stay home. So, I don't know. I'm going to continue watching Phil and Alex and wait till Sean gets home, and then I guess we'll decide what we're going to do when he gets home.
She wanted to do...
What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that juice? You got Pedialyte? No, don't do that. I can't see you. I want to see Journey. Can you say Funkle? No, say Funkle. No, say Funkle. Funkle. Good job! So we just got her to say Funkle, and she says Funful, which Funkle is my brother, so. You say Funkle? Good job! Funkle. Good job! I'm so proud of you. Are you ready for Daddy to come home? Yeah, he's coming. Sean's home.
Hi guys.
So you know I mentioned that I wanted chicken nuggets, so we're gonna go get chicken nuggets. You want to get chicken nuggets? Okay, so we're back home. We got our chicken nuggets. Journey's still eating her chicken nuggets. We rented 4 movies from Redbox. We're watching
Battle of the Sexes.
Battle of the Sexes with Steve Carell and Emma Stone. And then we got Bad Moms Christmas. I know it's a Christmas movie, and I hate watching Christmas movies after Christmas, but I've wanted to see this movie forever, so I got it. We got Kingsman, The Golden Circle. Sean's been wanting to watch that forever, so we got that. And then I also got Home Again with Reese Witherspoon, which I've wanted to see for a while. So we're going to be home pretty much all day tomorrow. We're going to go get groceries and stuff, but other than that, we're going to just be home. So we thought we'd get some movies to watch. But, yeah, I think we're just going to watch our movie and stuff, and then Journey's going to finish eating dinners. And we're going to go, then I'm going to put her to bed, and we're just going to hang out. So I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say for the past 10 minutes of vlogging.
Bye, guys.
Can I see you?
Now you can. Bye.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. What do I want you to comment? Ask a question for them to answer.
Me?
Yeah.
Someone's getting a phone call. That's all I know.
Okay, well, I'll get it.
Who's ready for baseball season, and what's your favorite team? Spring training just started.
Okay, so who's ready for baseball season, and what's your favorite team? As a lot of you know, we are for the Cubs, because there's a couple of videos ago, Journey had a Cubs jersey, and lots of people commented about her Cubs jersey, so let us know below who you're for. And I know we have one follower that's a Red Sox fan and one follower that's a Cardinals fan, so
Cardinals.
But anyway, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Little kisses. Mwah. Bye, guys.